ClearSpider WMS Online Training. Introduction to ClearSpider WMS. ClearSpider WMS, take control of your warehouse. ClearSpider WMS is a web-based warehouse management system, WMS, designed to give you the power to optimize your inventory and streamline operations. Here's a look at what makes it stand out. Visibility you can trust. Always know exactly what's in your warehouse. ClearSpider tracks inventory in real time, providing transparency across your entire supply chain. Boost efficiency, slash errors, automate repetitive tasks like generating labels and purchase orders. This frees up your staff for higher value activities and minimizes errors from manual data entry. Scan your way to success. Seamlessly integrate barcode scanning for faster and more accurate receiving, shipping, and cycle counts. No more room for misplaced inventory or wasted time. Built to scale with you, ClearSpider is flexible and adaptable. Whether you're a growing startup or a large enterprise, it can be customized to fit your specific needs. Mobility made easy. Manage your warehouse on the go. The ClearSpider mobile app allows you to access data, make informed decisions, and keep tabs on inventory anytime, anywhere. Features of ClearSpider WMS. ClearSpider WMS boasts a variety of features designed to streamline warehouse operations and inventory management. Here are some key highlights. Inventory tracking. Keep real-time track of your inventory levels across one or multiple warehouses. This includes serialized inventory, lot control, and shelf life management. Barcode scanning. Leverage barcode scanning, either through dedicated scanners or smartphone cameras, to minimize data entry errors and expedite processes like receiving and picking. Warehouse operations optimization. Features like batch picking and advanced picking and packing optimize picking routes and improve order fulfillment accuracy. Reporting and analytics. Generate reports to gain insights into inventory levels, order fulfillment times, and other key metrics. Cloud-based system. Access your warehouse data anytime, anywhere from any device with an internet connection. Scalability. ClearSpider WMS is designed to scale with your business needs, accommodating growth from small to large enterprises. Customization. The system offers high customization to tailor functionalities to your specific workflows and data needs. What is ClearSpider WMS? ClearSpider WMS, Warehouse Management System, is a cloud-based software solution designed to help businesses manage their inventory and warehouse operations more effectively. Key features of ClearSpider WMS typically include: inventory management provides tools for tracking inventory levels, movements, and locations in real time. Order management facilitates the processing of orders, including picking, packing, and shipping. Barcode scanning supports barcode scanning to improve accuracy and efficiency in inventory management. Reporting and analytics offers reporting tools to analyze warehouse performance and inventory data. Integration capabilities can integrate with other enterprise systems such as ERP, enterprise resource planning, and accounting software. Customization allows for tailored configurations to meet specific business needs and workflows. Mobile access supports mobile devices to provide flexibility for warehouse staff. How does ClearSpider WMS improve inventory management? ClearSpider Warehouse Management System (WMS) is designed to enhance inventory management through several key features and functionalities. Real-time inventory tracking. ClearSpider provides real-time visibility into inventory levels across multiple locations. This helps in maintaining accurate stock levels, reducing instances of overstocking or stockouts, and ensuring timely replenishment of inventory. Automation of inventory processes. The system automates various inventory-related tasks such as receiving, put away, picking, packing, and shipping. Automation reduces manual errors, increases efficiency, and speeds up operations. Improved accuracy and efficiency. With barcode scanning and RFID integration, ClearSpider ensures accurate tracking of inventory items. This reduces the likelihood of human error and enhances the precision of inventory counts. Customizable reporting and analytics. ClearSpider offers customizable reporting and analytics tools that provide insights into inventory performance. Businesses can generate reports on inventory turnover, stock levels, order history, and more to make informed decisions. Integration with other systems. ClearSpider integrates seamlessly with other enterprise systems such as ERP, CRM, and e-commerce platforms. This integration ensures that inventory data is consistent across all systems and improves overall supply chain visibility. Enhanced supplier and customer collaboration. The system facilitates better communication and collaboration with suppliers and customers. Vendors can access inventory levels and order statuses, while customers can track their orders in real time, improving overall satisfaction. What are the key features of ClearSpider WMS? ClearSpider Warehouse Management System (WMS) offers a range of features designed to optimize inventory management, streamline warehouse operations, and improve overall supply chain efficiency. Here are the key features of ClearSpider WMS. Inventory management. Real-time tracking provides up-to-the-minute inventory tracking across multiple locations. Inventory visibility ensures full visibility of inventory levels, locations, and movements. Barcoding and RFID supports barcode and RFID scanning for accurate inventory tracking and faster processing. Order management. Order processing facilitates efficient order picking, packing, and shipping. Order tracking allows real-time tracking of orders from placement to delivery. Backorder management manages backorders and partial shipments effectively. Warehouse operations. Receiving and put-away streamlines receiving processes and optimizes put-away operations. Picking and packing supports various picking methods, example wave picking, batch picking, and packing processes to enhance efficiency. Shipping automates shipping processes, including carrier integration and label printing. Reporting and analytics. Custom reports generates customized reports on inventory levels, order status, and warehouse performance. Dashboard provides a user-friendly dashboard with key performance indicators, KPIs, and real-time data insights. Data analytics offers advanced analytics for data-driven decision-making. Integration and customization. ERP and CRM integration seamlessly integrates with major ERP and CRM systems for synchronized data flow. API integration allows for easy integration with third-party applications through APIs. Customization provides configurable workflows and tailored solutions to meet specific business needs. How does ClearSpider WMS integrate with existing systems? ClearSpider Warehouse Management System (WMS) integrates with existing systems through several key methods, ensuring seamless data flow and operational efficiency. Here are the main integration methods. APIs and web services. ClearSpider offers robust APIs and web services that facilitate real-time data exchange between the WMS and other enterprise systems such as ERP, CRM, and accounting software. AD, Electronic Data Interchange. The system supports AD, which allows for the automated exchange of business documents in a standardized format, reducing manual data entry and errors. File transfers, integration via scheduled file transfers, CSV, XML, etc., allows for periodic data updates between systems, suitable for batch processing scenarios. Middleware and integration platforms. ClearSpider can connect through middleware solutions or integration platforms, like MuleSoft, Dell Boomi, that act as intermediaries to streamline communication between diverse applications. Database integration. Direct database integration can be established using SQL queries to pull or push data between ClearSpider and other systems, ensuring up-to-date information is available across platforms. Custom connectors. For unique integration needs, ClearSpider can develop custom connectors tailored to specific systems, ensuring compatibility and bespoke functionality. What are the benefits of using ClearSpider WMS for supply chain management? ClearSpider Warehouse Management System (WMS) offers several benefits for supply chain management, enhancing efficiency, visibility, and control over inventory and operations. Here are some key advantages. Enhanced inventory visibility. Real-time tracking of inventory levels across multiple locations. Detailed insights into stock status, movement, and location. Ability to monitor inventory remotely via web-based access. Improved accuracy. Reduces errors in inventory tracking and order fulfillment. Automates data entry and updates, minimizing human error. Barcode scanning and RFID technology improve precision. Increased efficiency. Streamlines warehouse operations such as receiving, picking, packing, and shipping. Optimizes workflow and labor management. Reduces time spent on manual inventory checks and administrative tasks. Scalability and flexibility. Suitable for businesses of all sizes, from small enterprises to large corporations. Easily adapts to changes in business needs and scales with growth. Customizable to fit specific industry requirements and processes. Cost savings. Lowers operational costs through improved resource utilization. Reduces excess inventory and associated carrying costs. Decreases labor costs by automating routine tasks. What are the cost savings associated with implementing ClearSpider WMS? Improved labor efficiency. Automated processes. Automation of tasks such as picking, packing, and shipping reduces the need for manual labor, lowering labor costs. Enhanced productivity. ClearSpider WMS streamlines warehouse operations, allowing workers to complete tasks more efficiently, reducing overtime and labor costs. Optimized warehouse space. Better space utilization. The system helps in optimizing storage locations and space utilization, potentially reducing the need for additional warehouse space and associated costs. Reduced storage costs. Efficient space utilization decreases the need for external storage facilities, lowering rental and storage costs. Reduced errors and returns. Accurate order fulfillment. By reducing picking and shipping errors, ClearSpider WMS minimizes the costs associated with returns, reshipping, and customer dissatisfaction. Improved customer satisfaction. Accurate and timely order fulfillment leads to higher customer satisfaction, reducing costs related to customer service and retention efforts. Lowered operational costs. Streamlined operations. Integrating ClearSpider WMS with existing systems streamlines operations, leading to lower operational costs due to improved process efficiency. Reduction in paperwork. The system digitizes processes, reducing the costs associated with paper-based systems, including printing, storage, and handling. Enhanced decision-making. Data-driven insights. ClearSpider WMS provides valuable insights and analytics, enabling better decision-making that can lead to cost-saving strategies across the supply chain. How does ClearSpider WMS enhance warehouse operations? ClearSpider Warehouse Management System (WMS) enhances warehouse operations through a variety of features designed to improve efficiency, accuracy, and visibility. Here are some key ways ClearSpider WMS achieves this. Real-time inventory tracking. ClearSpider WMS offers real-time tracking of inventory, providing up-to-date information on stock levels, locations, and movement. This helps reduce stockouts and overstock situations, ensuring optimal inventory levels. Automated data collection. The system automates data collection processes using barcode scanning, RFID technology, and mobile devices. This reduces manual data entry errors and speeds up inventory management tasks, such as receiving, picking, packing, and shipping. Improved order accuracy. ClearSpider WMS enhances order accuracy through precise tracking and validation mechanisms. It ensures that the correct items are picked, packed, and shipped, reducing the likelihood of order errors and returns. Optimized warehouse layout. The WMS analyzes warehouse layout and optimizes storage locations based on item turnover rates, size, and handling requirements. This minimizes travel time for workers and improves picking efficiency. Streamlined receiving and putaway. The system streamlines receiving processes by verifying incoming shipments against purchase orders and directing items to their optimal storage locations. This accelerates putaway processes and maintains accurate inventory records. Enhanced visibility and reporting. ClearSpider WMS provides detailed reports and analytics on warehouse operations. Managers can monitor key performance indicators, KPIs, such as inventory turnover rates, order cycle times, and warehouse productivity, enabling data-driven decision-making. How does ClearSpider WMS support multi-location warehousing? ClearSpider Warehouse Management System WMS offers several features to support multi-location warehousing effectively. Here are some key ways in which ClearSpider WMS enhances multi-location warehouse management. Centralized inventory management. ClearSpider WMS provides a centralized platform where businesses can manage inventory across multiple locations. This centralized system allows for real-time visibility and control over stock levels, movements, and status at each warehouse. Real-time data synchronization. The system ensures real-time data synchronization between all locations. Any updates or changes in inventory at one location are instantly reflected across the entire network, providing up-to-date information to all users. Multi-warehouse reporting. ClearSpider offers robust reporting tools that can generate detailed reports for each warehouse individually or for the entire network collectively. This helps in analyzing performance, tracking inventory levels, and making informed decisions. Flexible inventory allocation. The WMS supports dynamic inventory allocation, allowing businesses to distribute stock efficiently based on demand, location, and other criteria. This ensures optimal stock levels across all warehouses. Automated replenishment. The system can automate replenishment processes between locations. When stock at one location falls below a certain threshold, the WMS can trigger transfers from other warehouses to maintain adequate inventory levels. What customization options are available in ClearSpider WMS? 1. User interface customization. Dashboard configuration. Users can customize their dashboard to display relevant metrics and KPIs. Theme and branding. The system can be tailored with company logos, colors, and other branding elements. Navigation menus. The arrangement and structure of navigation menus can be adjusted to fit user preferences and workflows. 2. Workflow customization. Custom workflows. Users can define custom workflows to match their specific operational processes. Automated processes. Automation rules can be set up for repetitive tasks, such as notifications and order processing. Approval processes. Custom approval processes can be implemented for various operations within the WMS. 3. Data management. Custom fields. Users can add custom fields to capture specific data points that are important to their business. Data import-export. The system supports various formats for data import and export, allowing for seamless integration with other systems. Reporting and analytics. Custom reports and dashboards can be created to provide insights tailored to business needs. 4. Inventory management. Custom inventory views. Inventory views can be customized to display specific information that is critical for different user roles. Location management. Users can define custom location hierarchies and naming conventions. Product attributes. Custom attributes can be added to products for better categorization and management. How does ClearSpider WMS ensure data security and privacy? 1. Data encryption. In transit, data transmitted between users and the ClearSpider system is encrypted using SSL/TLS protocols to prevent interception and unauthorized access during transmission. At rest, data stored within the ClearSpider databases is encrypted to protect it from unauthorized access, even if the physical storage is compromised. 2. Access control. User authentication. ClearSpider uses robust user authentication mechanisms, including multi-factor authentication, MFA, to verify user identities before granting access to the system. Role-based access control. RBAC access to data and system functionalities is restricted based on user roles and permissions. This ensures that users only have access to the information and functions necessary for their role. 3. Regular audits and monitoring. Audit logs. ClearSpider maintains detailed audit logs of user activities within the system. These logs are used to monitor for suspicious activities and ensure accountability. Regular security audits. The system undergoes regular security audits and vulnerability assessments to identify and mitigate potential security risks. 4. Data backup and recovery. Regular backups. Data is backed up regularly to ensure that it can be recovered in case of data loss or corruption. Disaster recovery plans. ClearSpider has disaster recovery plans in place to quickly restore system functionality and data integrity in the event of a catastrophic failure. 5. Compliance with standards. Industry standards. ClearSpider complies with relevant industry standards and regulations for data security and privacy, such as GDPR, HIPAA, or other applicable laws depending on the industry and geographic location of their clients. Best practices. The system implements best practices for cybersecurity, as recommended by organizations such as NIST, National Institute of Standards and Technology. What industries can benefit the most from ClearSpider WMS? Manufacturing. Inventory management. ClearSpider WMS helps in tracking raw materials, work in progress, and finished goods inventory. Order fulfillment. Improves order accuracy and reduces lead times. Production efficiency. Enhances production scheduling and resource allocation. Retail. Stock visibility. Real-time inventory visibility across multiple locations. Omnichannel fulfillment. Streamlines order fulfillment for online and in-store purchases. Demand forecasting. Better demand planning and stock replenishment. Healthcare and pharmaceuticals. Regulatory compliance. Ensures compliance with industry regulations for traceability and reporting. Inventory control. Manages expiration dates and reduces waste. Supply chain efficiency. Optimizes the supply chain for critical medical supplies and medications. Third-party logistics, 3PL. Client management. Handles inventory for multiple clients with ease. Scalability. Scales operations to meet varying client demands. Efficiency. Enhances warehouse operations, reducing costs and improving service levels. Automotive. Parts tracking. Tracks parts from suppliers to production lines. Just-in-time, JIT, inventory, supports JIT inventory management, reducing excess inventory. Supply chain coordination, improves coordination with suppliers and distributors. Food and beverage. Batch and lot tracking, manages batch and lot tracking for traceability. Expiration management, tracks expiration dates to ensure product freshness. Compliance, ensures compliance with food safety standards and regulations. How user-friendly is the ClearSpider WMS interface? 1. Ease of use. ClearSpider WMS is designed to be user-friendly with a straightforward interface. Key features that enhance ease of use include simple navigation. The interface typically offers clear navigation menus, making it easy for users to find the functionalities they need. Dashboard. A customizable dashboard allows users to view critical information at a glance, which can help streamline operations. Quick access to features. Commonly used features are easily accessible, reducing the time needed to perform routine tasks. 2. Intuitiveness. The intuitiveness of the ClearSpider WMS interface is evident in layout and design. The interface layout is logical, with functions grouped in a way that makes sense for warehouse management operations. Minimal training required. Many users report that minimal training is required to start using the system effectively, indicating that the interface is easy to understand. User guides and tooltips. On-screen guides and tooltips provide assistance, helping new users quickly learn how to use different features. 3. Design. ClearSpider WMS features a modern design that supports usability. Clean and uncluttered interface. The design avoids unnecessary complexity, making it easier for users to focus on their tasks. Responsive design. The interface is responsive, ensuring a good user experience across various devices, including desktops, tablets, and smartphones. Visual aids. Use of icons, color coding, and visual cues enhance the user experience by providing quick, visual information. Advantages of ClearSpider WMS online training. 1. Flexibility and convenience. Access anytime, anywhere. Online training allows users to learn at their own pace and on their own schedule. This flexibility is especially beneficial for employees who have varying work hours or other commitments. Remote learning. Users can access training materials from any location with an internet connection, eliminating the need for travel. 2. Cost-effectiveness. Reduced travel expenses. No need for transportation, accommodation, or meal costs associated with traditional in-person training. Lower training costs. Online training often requires fewer resources and can be scaled to accommodate many users simultaneously, reducing overall costs. 3. Self-paced learning. Personalized learning experience. Users can progress through the material at their own speed, spending more time on challenging topics and less on those they find easier. Repeated access. Users can revisit the training modules as needed, reinforcing their understanding and retention of the material. 4. Interactive and engaging content. Multimedia elements. Online training often incorporates videos, interactive quizzes, and simulations, which can enhance learning and make it more engaging. Immediate feedback. Quizzes and assessments can provide instant feedback, helping users identify areas where they need further study. Why choose ProExcellency for ClearSpider WMS online training? Expert instructors. ProExcellency provides experienced and knowledgeable instructors who have in-depth understanding of ClearSpider WMS. This ensures that you learn from professionals who can offer practical insights and real-world applications of the system. Comprehensive curriculum. The training covers all essential aspects of ClearSpider WMS, including setup, configuration, and daily operations. This ensures that you gain a thorough understanding of the software and how to use it effectively. Flexible learning options. Online training allows you to learn at your own pace and on your own schedule. This flexibility is ideal for working professionals who need to balance their training with other responsibilities. Hands-on experience. ProExcellency's training includes practical exercises and real-time scenarios that help you apply what you learn in a simulated environment. This hands-on approach enhances your learning experience and better prepares you for using ClearSpider WMS in a real-world setting. Support and resources. ProExcellency provides ongoing support throughout the training process. You have access to course materials, resources, and the ability to ask questions and receive guidance from instructors. Certification. Upon completion of the training, ProExcellency may offer certification that validates your skills and knowledge in ClearSpider WMS. This certification can be a valuable addition to your professional credentials. Reputation and track record. ProExcellency has a reputation for delivering high-quality training programs in various software systems. Their track record of successful training programs can give you confidence in the quality of their ClearSpider WMS training.